tried to make it as interesting as possible. Did it work? I know. Crazy. That's nothing. I can just walk right down this hill. And I have done it. But I don't want to destroy all this flora, fauna, shit. I kind of like to be a green zone right after my frickin' job. Look, I just planted a tree. You see that? Check it out. I threw that tree down there, just sitting there. I know, is that funny or no? Probably never do it again. It's like a 1 in a million shot, you know what I mean? You just can't plant a damn tree and throw it in. You have to do this. Alright, let me get some of this shit out of here. Give it a chug. Spreading some seeds there, you see that? I spread more seeds than them birds ever dreamed to spread. Material you can bury stones. That's the rule. Anything over 10 feet on roads, not for houses. You don't want to bury shit under a house. Nothing. Zero on it. But if I get to do what I want, all this stuff will get dug out. You'll see a wall like you ain't never seen here. 3 stories. Seriously. Cement. The whole 9 yards. I mean, we're going to talk